Hi,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is Mohammed Fazan Vishnu. How are you?
I am fine.
And what is your name?
My name is Rishabh. Where are you from?
I'm from Aswad.
What is famous in Aswad?
Aswad Kazmi Public School is famous in Aswad. And from where you are?
I am from Saidabad.
What is, in Saidabad there is a Ramu Hotel.
No, no, no.
I think Sri Ram is there.
Yes, Sriram is
What is
there.
famous in Sri Ram?
I think this all is famous in Sriram.
You tried or not?
Yes, I tried. Why are you wearing sleeper?
I feel cool, that's why.
You feel cool.
Yeah.
Now time you are looking, many people are fighting to each other. What is reason?
I don't know, they have some personal problem, that's why they were fighting.
What is it?
They have some personal problem, that's why they were fighting.
I'm not saying this. I'm saying like religious fighting.
Religious fighting is going on because there are many people they misbehave with someone. That's why.
Uh, Many people are fighting to each other because some boys are fault. Some boys have fault. Some boys have fault like he is saying to Muslims persons. He is saying to Hindus person that is good. That is not good.
Everyone have their different opinion. That's why they were fighting.
Yes, yes.
Someone say that Hindu is good. Someone say that Muslim
Yes,
is
yes,
good.
yes.
That's why they were fighting.
But that is very bad.
Yeah,
That is very bad thing because we are human.
Yeah, we have.
We are not. We aren't animals.
We have to talk together. We have to live together. We have to not. We don't have to fight about religious.
Yes, yes. That is very good. That is very bad. You know what is going on in Iran?
There is war is going on because Donald Trump, he is the president of America. He killed the king of Iran. That's why fight is going on.
That is good or
You can say
not?
that it is not good because it is a political fight.
Trump is saying to India, I can't give oil.
Trump is not giving oil. Iran is giving oil, but due to war,
At this time, while going over, Trump is saying
20% supply of crude oil, is going through the Iran. Iran is providing to India.
but Russia is giving offer to India, but Modi can't accept that offer.
Because Trump is blackmailing Modi.
Yes, yes, I know.
Because you know that scheme file is there.
Yes,
He has
I
some
know.
proof, that's why he is
Yes, yes.
blackmailing.
What is going in your life?
Study is going in my life.
Study. Which type of study?
I'm learning nowadays. I'm learning English.
You are learning English.
You also learning English.
Yes, yes, I also. What is benefit of learning English?
It gives us a brief knowledge about English, how we talk to in front of other foreign people.
Yes, yes, yes. That is good. You know, many people are learning English for only showing to our villagers, one who have no knowledge about English.
That's their opinion, but villagers don't understand English language.
Yes, yes. But
They say
but
that
many
they are
people,
mad.
many boys are showing
Yeah, the-
because he feels I have more knowledge about English.
But the villager people don't understand English, and then they said that people are mad.
Yes, yes, that people is mad, but he wants to God front of villagers. He wants to become a God front of villagers.
Okay, you speak too good in English, but you go to in front of villager people, they don't know how to speak English.
Yes, yes.
They are able to understand your words. Then what they will do? They simply think that you are mad.
Yes, yes, you are saying right. But many boys are thinking this type.
That's their fault.
Yes, yes.
What we can do?
You know how to made machines.
Machines made by engineers. Because they first of all they study about BTech. After that they get brief knowledge about machinery things, and then they build machines.
Which course is good at this time? This generation for this
This
generation.
generation, I think, computer, CS.
CS is good. Please explain me what is CS, what is benefit of CS, how many trends are in CS.
I don't know trends, but I can explain you about CS.
Because I want to do BTech in CS. Please
Because,
explain me.
because nowadays you can see that many things is everything is going online. If you have brief knowledge about CS computer science, you can easily make a software. And nowadays software is played a very important role in our life. Whatever we have to do, we can do easily by software.
Yes.
Software is good.
Yeah.
I think AI is good now time.
AI is good, but everything not will be done by AI. Somewhere AI do mistake.
Yes, yes.
Now you can also see that now is the Google Map, but somewhere Google Map not show the correct right.
Yes,
path.
yes, yes. You know, bike is good or bad,
Bike is good. If you learn how to drive a bike, bike is good.
but boys are using bike very roughly.
Yeah, but that's their parents' fault because they don't take care about this.
What is your age?
My age is 23.
You aren't riding bike.
I ride bike. I have driving license. That's why I ride bike.
You have driving license.
Yeah, I have. You also ride bike.
Yes, sir. But I haven't driving license.
Then first of all, you make your driving license.
I'm not riding on road. I'm riding only local areas.
If there is urgent, something urgent, then you have to ride on road. That's
Yes,
why
yes.
first of all you make.
That is a different matter.
If a policeman catch you, then you have to pay fine.
Yes, it is definitely. I paid fine, but I am not running on the road.
But someday you will learn.
Yes, then I will apply license. You know, yesterday your principal met to me. He was saying your friends group are using them. That is right or not?
I don't know because I never abused.
He was saying your name.
There is my friend circle. In my circle, there is a lot of friends. There is I think 15, and I think someone has abused him.
Yes,
but
yes.
I don't know who has abused him. He only know my name. That's why he is telling about me.
He couldn't forget this word.
I don't know about, but
I think when did you study in Radical?
Yes. You are looking, guys. They are talking properly. It's very important for you. And the boys who are coming to you properly, he can be a good speaker. He must be a good speaker. There is no problem. I'm just going to talk to this person. You have no driver license.
No, I
Yes.
have not.
Nowadays, you are looking that there are many police standing at a crossing, and they are very strict. And such as it is an emergency, you have to go to hospital. You have to go somewhere.
Yes, sir.
And because you have bike, you are going sudden. The police called you and he said, "Stop, stop," and he began to check your
License, yes.
license.
Yes.
At that very moment, you don't have license. What will you do? At that time, he can
I will-
ask you.
yes, sir.
You will say your problem, but he doesn't know that what is your problem.
Yes, sir.
He will say, I need your ID card.
ID card.
Show your ID card, you can go.
Yes, sir.
At that time, how can you save from the police?
I can say I will make license in few days.
No. He will say that, since when have you been riding the bike? At that very moment, what will you say? I have been riding bikes for 2 years, for 3 years. What have you done? Why didn't you get license made?
Yes, sir.
He will say like this.
Yes, sir.
How will you say that I will get made in 2 days and 3 days? How will you say? Because the police has no mind. The police
Yes, sir.
have no mind. Only you have mind. Tell me.
No, sir. Police has mind.
Police have mind.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Talking, debating is very important. I'm proud of you. You are good. But talking is very important. जिंदगी में मुसीबतें आती हैं. मुसीबतें दोस्त कुछ पल के लिए होती हैं. और जिंदगी आपकी हमेशा के लिए होती है. अपनी जिंदगी मुसीबत के साथ ना गवाओ. मुसीबतें कुछ पल में चली जाती है. अपनी जिंदगी उसके साथ मत करो. जिंदगी आपकी हमेशा के लिए है. वो हमेशा की एक समय है, बहुत लंबा समय है. वो समय आपको तय करना है. रिश्तेदारों के साथ, भाई बहनों के साथ, पड़ोसी के साथ, दोस्त यारों के साथ, टीचरों के साथ, न जाने कितने रिश्ते मिलते हैं. क्या वो रिश्ते आप जिंदा रखते हैं? क्या आप इंसाफ के रूप में चलते हैं? क्या आप इंसान के रूप में चलते हैं? क्या आपके अंदर दर्द है एक इंसान के लिए? کیا آپ کے دل نیت صاف ہے انسان کے لیے؟ کیا کسی کو چوٹ لگتی ہے آپ کو درد ہوتا ہے؟ کیا کسی کی جان چلی جاتی ہے آپ کو کچھ محسوس ہوتا ہے؟ کیا کسی کے ساتھ کچھ گھٹنائیں ہوتی ہیں تو آپ کے دل میں اپناپن لگتا ہے؟ اگر لگتا ہے تو آپ زندہ انسان ہو، نہیں لگتا ہے تو آپ مرے کے سامان ہو. ٹھیک ہے، پھر ملتے ہیں نیکسٹ.